Welcome to Clever Mum. Let's transform air fryer confusion into crispy moments of triumph. Ready to learn and share? Let's dive in. Clever starts here. Are you sabotaging your air fryer meals without realizing it? I've been there too. Imagine craving crispy golden fries and getting a soggy mess instead. It's frustrating, isn't it? The good news is, every air fryer roadblock has a solution. Let me gently walk you through tips from a mother's heart, ensuring you achieve perfectly crispy meals every time. Ready for some foolproof tricks? Stick around, your air fryer success starts now. Air fryers are magical, offering faster, healthier meals that deliver crispiness without guilt. But let's be honest, we've all been disappointed. Soggy fries, pale veggies, unevenly cooked chicken. Why? Small mistakes disrupt perfect results. For example, overcrowding your basket prevents air circulation, and your fries won't crisp any better than a soggy microwave meal. And here's the lovely twist. Every mistake has a fix. Stick with me and I'll share the 4 most common air fryer mistakes and their solutions. Fluffy, golden vegetables and juicy chicken await. Whatever you're dreaming of, from charred veggies to crispy desserts, we'll turn frustrations into flavorful wins. So stay tuned until the end for life-changing tips that'll make your air fryer your new kitchen BFF. Mistake number 1, overcrowding the basket. Think of your air fryer as a dance floor. If it's too crowded, nobody moves well, and the results are disappointing. Air circulation is the hero in creating golden, crispy perfection. Cramming your basket blocks air, resulting in limp, unevenly cooked food. It's like throwing too much laundry into the dryer. Nothing dries right. The solution? Divide your food into smaller batches, use a rack for layering, or consider investing in a larger fryer. Patience pays off when every bite sings with crispiness. Remember, a little care turns your air fryer meals into highlights you're proud of. Mistake number 2, skipping preheating. Preheating sounds like it's just one more thing to do, but trust me, this small habit transforms results. Picture biting into mozzarella sticks with gooey insides and flaky crispiness all over, or evenly charred veggies bursting with flavor. Without preheating, cold centers and sadness. It takes only a moment to warm up the air fryer while you prep ingredients or take a quiet sip of tea. These tiny moments are a clever mother's secrets. Preheating sets the stage for perfection, creating consistently hot air that delivers better textures and tastes. Whether it's wings or baked treats like cinnamon rolls, let's not skip this easy win. Mistake number 3, using too much oil. The beauty of air fryers is achieving luscious crispiness while keeping things light. You don't need to overdo the oil. Too much oil smothers airflow, leaving food greasy and heavy. Many ready-made frozen items already have oil built in, so skip adding extra entirely. For homemade treats, aim for just a whisper of oil, either spritz it or brush lightly. And don't forget oils with high smoke points, like avocado or canola. They enhance flavor without burning under high heat. Less is more here. This small yet effective tweak unlocks meals that pair light textures with full-bodied flavors, a guilt-free upgrade every kitchen deserves. Mistake number 4, being forgetful about flipping or shaking food. Remember this golden rule: even the best air fryers can't defy physics. Food settles, which means you've got to step in. When shaking your fries or vegetable layers midway, you're ensuring every surface gets its moment in the hot air spotlight. And flipping foods like breaded fish fillets, it's the key to those heavenly even crusts. Not sure when to shake? Many air fryers come with a reminder beep, so use it. And I promise this, it's oddly satisfying to flip food into picture-perfect crispiness. Let this step feel like a fun, interactive chance to participate in your meal's success instead of a chore. Trust me, everyone will notice the difference. Now that we've covered the basics, why not level up your air fryer game? Ever struggled with wet batter sliding off? Panko crumbs are the fix, giving you the crunchiest coating. Neglecting cleanup? Sticky grease affects flavors and ruins performance, so keep your fryer spotless. Cooking store-bought frozen foods? Reduce oven instructions by 20% and savor perfection. Don't limit yourself to fries. Explore muffins, roasted nuts, caramelized fruit, or even frittatas. From crispy tofu bites to banana-based desserts, your air fryer is your creative partner in the kitchen. You're not just cooking, you're crafting. Unleash its full potential in new, innovative experiments. And let every attempt bring joy to you and your loved ones. Let's recap. Avoid overcrowding, preheat with purpose, go gentle on oil, and don't underestimate the power of shaking. These small changes make the biggest difference, giving you meals worth celebrating. What did you love most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'm here to keep learning together. Like this video for more kitchen-savvy tips, subscribe to join Clever Mum, and let's make every moment in the kitchen a chance to create, connect, and inspire. Thank you for watching Clever Mum. Click subscribe for more quick, cheerful kitchen wisdom. Together we simplify cooking and amplify flavor. See you next time. Take care